Hello everyone, this is Obhishek Mukherjee from ATDC department. My roll number is 208091R05 and today's topic is AND OR graph and AO star search. So how does a AND OR graph look like? So this is a typical AND OR graph where the root node is that I have to pass the exam. So how can I pass this? I have to do hard work and I have to pass it. These are connected by this AND arc, and I have another way that I have to pass it by cheating. So Q and R are connected by an AND arc, and with these two S is connected with a OR situation. So in this way a AND OR graph works, and together this is a AND OR graph. So this is a tic-tac-toe game. This is a very popular game, and this is two players game. Here this is a state. This is one of the state of the game, and one player have to maximize his brutalities and one player have to minimize his brutalities. So suppose this is for player A. So he have to give a move, and as well as he have to think that he can keep this or this. These are connected by OR, and if he give this move, he have to think that player B can give these two move, and so these three moves 1 2 3, these are OR to A, and these two moves, that is 4 and 5, these are AND to A. So this is OR, and this is AND. So in this way one can represent a deterministic approach for game trees using AND OR graph, and one can think in this way and make the moves. So these are the frutalities 1 0. Here is a win, that is 1. Here is a loss, that is 0, and these frutalities are calculated according to A. If A loss, then this is 0. If A wins, then this is 1, and if draw, then this is -1. So in this way AND OR graph is used to produce game trees, and it is useful for deterministic games, not for probabilistic games. So properties of AND OR graph. AND OR graph or tree is useful for representation of solution of problems that can be solved by decomposing them into a set of smaller problems. That means we have a goal of acquiring a TV set. So we have to find some ways. So as previous, we have two options. We have to steal a TV, and otherwise we can earn some money and buy a TV set. So we decompose this goal into two problems. Here is a AND arc, and here is a stealing of TV set. Similarly, we can decompose this in similar manner. Suppose we have to earn some money. How we can earn some money? We can get a job, or we can do a business. So in this way we can create some other successors from these sub goals. So these are considered as sub goals, and this is the main goal. And in this way we can produce successors and decompose the problem. And after decomposing, AND graph may point to a number of successors, any number of successors. Here is 2, but we can add another. We can add another like this, and all of which must be solved in order for the arc to point a solution. But all these together point a single solution. So this is the property of AND OR graph. Now we will look how the AND OR graph will be solved by AO-star algorithm. AO-star search algorithm. So AO-star search algorithm basically based on the problem decomposition, and it is very useful for AND OR graph. It is based on breakdown problem into small pieces. When a problem can be divided into set of sub problems, where each sub problem can be solved separately, and a combination of this will be a solution. AND OR graph or AND OR trees are used for presenting the solution. Let us differentiate between A-star and AO-star search. So both are informed search technique, and both use heuristic value to solve the problems. The solution is guaranteed in both algorithms actually, and A-star always gives an optimal solution, but it is not guaranteed that AO-star always provide an optimal solution, because AO-star does not explore all the solution path once it got a solution. So how AO-star algorithm works? This is a typical AND OR graph, and we will apply AO-star algorithm into this graph. So at first, this is the cost function fn, and this is the edge function gn, and this is the heuristic value hn. So here the red marked are the heuristics value of each node, and these are the edge cost of each path or each edge, and together by summing this we get a cost function. So we have to minimize the cost function. The purple colors as I show, this is the edge values. So what are the steps? At first we have to choose the path. So from A we can go through B and C, or we can go to D. So what path we should choose? So from, if we go to B and C from A, so we get a cost function equal to 6 plus 12 plus 1 plus 1, that is 20. And here we get 10 plus 1 equal to 12. 11, sorry. So we have to choose the minimum, and we have to go in this way. 11 is minimum. So now we have to explore D. So during the exploration of D, we get there is a AND arc. So here 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1, that is 10. So here the 10 will be replaced by previous 10, but as the previous value is 10, that it doesn't matter. And here like in this way, AO-star algorithm get a solution path, that is A to D to E and F. But the problem is AO-star algorithm does not explore other paths when it get a solution path. So it is possible that there is a possibility that there will be minimum cost function in other paths, but as it does not explore them, so from AO-star algorithm we can't find the optimal solution. But in A-star search it is possible to get the optimal solution, as it explore all the paths. So let us explore other paths and get and so see it if there is a possibility to get uh, a cost function less than 11. So let us explore the other paths. Uh, Previously we get a solution path of this uh, from A** algorithm. Let us explore this path. So here and the value is 6 plus 12 plus 1 plus 1, that is 20. And now from the bottom we go to the root node. So here is the heuristic value of 1 and here is the edge value of 1, that is 2. So we replace the 5 by 2. Here is 2. And here 2 plus 1, that is 3, and 7 plus 1, that is 8, but we take the minimum, so that is 3, and we replace 6 by 3. And from another successor, here 1 plus 1, that is 2, and 2 is less than 12, so 12 is replaced by 2. So here, as it is an AND graph, so 3 plus 1 equal to 4, 2 plus 1 equal to 3, so 4 plus 3 equal to 7. So 20 is replaced by 7. So we can see that from this path we can get a cost function of 11, but from this path it is possible to get or to reach to the heuristic cost function value, that is 7. This is less than 11, so this path is useful for us. But in A** algorithm we do not get the optimal solution. We get a solution but we do not get a optimal solution. So that's why A** search is less capable than A* search for in this type of scenario. It is very quick to search, but A* search gives us a better optimal solution, whereas A* can't do that. So this is the procedure. In above diagram we have two ways, from A to D and A to BC, because of AND condition, and calculate cost to the selected path. So FAD equal to 11 and ABC 20. As we know, the cost is more FAG, and let's take a look. Now from B we have two paths, G and H. Let's calculate the cost. FBG equal to 6 and FBH equal to 8. So the cost from BH is more than BG. We will take the path BG. The heuristic value of G to I is 1, but let's calculate the cost from G to I. FGI equal to 2, which is less than heuristic value 5. So the new heuristic value from G to 1 I is 2. If it is new value, then the cost from G to B must also have changed. Let's see the new cost from B to G. So FB to G, the new cost is 1 plus 2 equal to 3. That means the new heuristic value of B is 3, but A is associated with both B and C. So we can see from the diagram C only, we have one choice and OR node to explore, that is J. The heuristic value of C is 12. So cost from C to J equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2, which is less than heuristic value. Now heuristic value of C is 2, as I said, and the new cost from A to BC, that is ABC equal to 7, which is less than the previous one, that is 11. The A* search and get the solution of 11. So in this case, choosing what ABC is more cost effective and good than AD. So in this way we can conclude that the A* search is quick, but it do not get the optimal solution. To get the optimal solution and to explore the all paths, and for confirming the optimal solution, we have to use A star search in these type of scenarios. Thank you.